marine species, but they also do something else. And now, guys, I got a question for you. Besides love and rum, what is one of the main things that we need to survive?
Chicken.
Of course, the chicken here. Guys, I like where your head's at, but I don't think chicken was what I was looking for. Thank you for participating, though. You guys get a participation award today. Anybody else besides chicken? Water, no? Air, there it is. I finally got it. Air is what I was looking for. Oxygen is it. So the corals actually produce 2/3 of the oxygen we breathe. Only 1/3 comes from the corals. Or only 1/3 comes from the land-based plants. Sorry. So when you put all this under